Two Australian cricketers have become the latest players to pull out of the Indian Premier League (IPL), which is taking place in the country despite India battling a devastating second wave of coronavirus pandemic with rising death rate. The IPL has attracted criticism for continuing even as the country's healthcare system reels from more than 350,000 daily infections and almost 3,000 deaths a day from the virus. On Monday, Adam Zampa and Kane Richardson's franchise, Royal Challengers Bangalore, tweeted that the players are returning to Australia for personal reasons and will be unavailable for the remainder of IPL 2021. Royal Challengers Bangalore management respects their decision and offers them complete support, it further added. India star spinner Ravichandran Ashwin also withdrew from the IPL 2020 tournament on Sunday to support his family during the COVID-19 pandemic. Ashwin, a key test player for India, said he would be taking a break from playing in the lucrative T20 franchise tournament with the Delhi Capitals team. My family and extended family are putting up a fight against COVID-19 and I want to support them during these tough times, Ashwin tweeted. Australian fast bowler Andrew Tye also pulled out of IPL. Tye, who was with the Rajasthan Royals in the IPL, flew back to Sydney on Sunday via Mumbai and Doha, citing the stress of bubble life and concerns about borders closing in Australia. Moreover, Andrew Tye also indicated that he is baffled with a philosophical question about whether the IPL should continue at all in this situation when the patients are struggling to get admitted to hospitals. From a player safety point of view, we are safe now, but is it going to stay safe? Tye asked. But looking at it from an Indian point of view, how are these companies and franchises spending so much money and the government on the IPL when there are people not being able to get accepted into hospital, he said according to the Cricket Australia website. On Sunday, a leading Indian newspaper group suspended coverage of the IPL, calling the tournament commercialism gone crass and incongruous as the record-breaking pandemic surge grips the country. Express Publications said in front page editorial of its flagship English language daily, The New Indian Express, that the paper was halting reporting on the T20 event until a semblance of normalcy is restored. Former Australia cricketer Adam Gilchrist on Sunday took to Twitter to express his concern about the alarming coronavirus situation in India that has devastated the country for weeks now. Sending his best wishes to his Indian followers, the former wicketkeeper batsman asked people what they thought of Indian Premier League 2021 continuing amid record surge in COVID-19 cases in the country. Giving people two choices to pick from, he inquired if IPL was inappropriate or an important distraction in these tough times. Best wishes to all in India, frightening COVID numbers, IPL continues, inappropriate or important distraction each night, whatever your thoughts, prayers are with you, Gilchrist tweeted. On the other hand, Australian pace bowler Pat Cummins, who is representing Kolkata Knight Riders in the ongoing IPL, has donated $50,000 specifically to purchase oxygen supplies for India's hospitals to PM Cares, a fundraising scheme set up by the Prime Minister of India in March last year when the COVID-19 pandemic first broke out. Cummins, the first cricketer playing in this year's IPL to publicly announce such a contribution, put out a note on Twitter also calling on his fellow IPL players to contribute. There has been quite a bit of discussion over here as to whether it is appropriate for the IPL to continue while COVID-19 infection rates remain high, Cummins wrote. I am advised that the Indian government is of the view that playing the IPL while the population is in lockdown provides a few hours of joy and respite each day at an otherwise difficult time for the country. As players, we are privileged to have a platform that allows us to reach millions of people that we can use for good. With that in mind, I have made a contribution to the PM Cares Fund specifically to purchase oxygen supplies for India's hospitals, Cummins said.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.